You searched how to buy shares of Meta Platforms Inc. Meta Platforms Inc. is a global technology company focused on social networking and virtual reality, trading on Xetra under the ticker META.EUR. And this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before making a purchase. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker META.EUR to find the correct Xetra listing. Confirm the search result shows Meta Platforms Inc. to ensure you have the right asset. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to understand the asset context. Make sure the company name and ticker match Meta Platforms Inc. and META.EUR before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy. Choose the amount you want to allocate, then review the order details and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed when trading resumes, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade is executed, your position will appear in the portfolio view. For the example platform link, see the description below.